A lot of times it turns into a bicycle kick, so I'm really wanting them to kick down on top of the water before they learn any kind of underwater kick for face down.